This is Nabot, the smart robot which you can teach to do things autonomously. It can vacuum, mop, collect small objects, and even play with cats. These are just a few examples of the countless tasks it can do, and that is because you can program it to learn new tasks. Here is how it works. Nabot is a remote control robot with a twist. It can be controlled through your phone, and you can see what it sees on your screen. Here's the twist. Instead of controlling the robot all the time, Nabot artificial intelligence algorithm learns with you. By processing images the robot's camera collects, it uses a neural network to detect where everything is located. Then, the robot's AI, or brain, can send movement commands back to the robot so it can work independently. All the processing is done on your phone in real time. Amazing! And don't worry, all data is stored locally on your phone, so your privacy is protected. Want to live your robot war fantasy? The good news is that you can program and customize the movement logic, all using a drag-and-drop, easy-to-use coding interface. For little coders, it is the best educational tool that teaches them how to program a robot and dive into the world of STEM. For big coders, the simple user-friendly app will make you a coding expert in no time. You'll be able to program complicated and useful tasks. Don't want to program it? Just run the example tasks or programs others have shared on Nabot's community. We are Zimpatico, and we will bring joy to your home.
Wearable gesture controller. Pero. Pero offers new improvements to all your digital devices. All devices will become easier and more enjoyable. Take control the way you want. Be more productive. Pero works seamlessly. Touch the side button. Turn your wrist to move the cursor. Tap the button to click. Touch the palm panel to right-click. Or you can use it for its gesture functions. Pero's gestures interact with all of your devices. Straight, rotationally, and even circular. Even more complex movements. Pero software learns your natural gestures and patterns so you can easily customize it yourself. Pero's band will always hug gently yet firmly around your hand, thanks to the use of integral silicone. Simplify your desk with Pero. Desks are now optional. Up your workflow game, anywhere, anytime, with Pero.
Design isn't just something you see or touch or hear. Premium design is something you feel in your core. When you pick up Poma brush, it feels right. Press its single button and feel it spring to life. The extension of your hand. Balanced. The perfect weight. Its full silicone body. Soft to the touch. Everything an electric toothbrush needs to be and more. Your Poma brush is an extension of you. In whatever color you choose. Poma brush is 15,000 vibrations per minute cleaned thoroughly without damaging sensitive gums or enamel. Silicone's antibacterial properties keep your Poma brush naturally clean and last longer. Just rinse and go. Or jump in the shower and rinse together. because your Poma brush was built to get wet. Poma brush wants to be displayed, light and small. You'll want to bring it with you everywhere, but don't let its size fool you. Even though it's 20% smaller, it lasts 10 times longer. And with its wireless charging case, it becomes your perfect travel companion. You only need to charge your Poma brush 3 times per use.